Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'll show you how you can know if someone has blocked you on your Snapchat app. Yes, but before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share our video with the people who really need it. And yeah, let's get started. So just go to your Snapchat app, and once your app is open, I'll just click this chat box option below, click it, and then I have a new chat from this person. I'll just block this person, long press, go to manage friendship, block this person, blocked. And now my chats are gone with that person. Whatever conversation we had, it's gone. Let me go to the other blocked profile. So once your profile is open, you will just go to your chat section and just search that person's name, that person's username or name. You will search it. You won't be able to find the exact person that you had chat just a minute ago, that you had a conversation just a minute ago. That's how you will just realize that you are blocked by that person, and yeah, your chats will be gone, your conversation will be gone. So yeah, this is the only way you will know if somebody has blocked you, by searching their name, by searching your conversation that you had with them. And I hope this video has helped you so far. Please do make sure to leave comments below, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. See you next time. Bye bye.